Okay, this is how you can find KRC20 Kaspa tokens online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
The first website is going to be this one, let's say, caspiano.com/token. Alright, you can even click on here on the top left hand screen, and this will bring you to the main website, and there's the list of different tokens. As you can see here, we have one bonds, 50% has been minted, and it shows right here that it's not a fair mint, and you kind of get the point. And you can even go to the top right hand screen and you can search in whatever it is that you would like of a Kaspa KRC. Excuse me. So the second option, let's say Nacho, this is a KRC Kaspa 20 token. It's actually quite popular. The next website is KAS or cas.fyi, and instead of clicking dashboard, you can click on the second option, KRC20 tokens. And as you can see now, we have a list of all of the KRC20 tokens right here completely for free as far as ranking. I like this website personally. It's my favorite in my opinion because as you can see here, we have so much more information. You can click on a Kaspa KRC20 token. You can see the transfers, you can see the holders in terms of percentages of people who hold this KRC20 token, and you can even check out the stats or the statistics of the price or the value of this cryptocurrency going up and then going down more or less, give or take, completely for free.